In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export invoices in Zoho Books. Exporting invoices can be a vital task for businesses that need to share financial data, create backups, or import information into other software. So, let's dive in and walk through the process together. To get started, you'll want to head over to the Zoho Books platform. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar, where you'll see a menu of options. Click on Sales, and from there select Invoices. This will take you to a page where all your invoice records are displayed. Next, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a More icon, which appears as 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to unveil a drop-down menu with several actions you can perform. From this list, select Export Invoices. This option is your gateway to starting the export process. Once you've clicked Export Invoices, a pop-up window will appear. This window is where you'll configure all your export settings. Here, you'll have several options to tailor the export to your specific needs. First, let's talk about the status option. You can choose to export invoices based on their status, such as draft, sent, or paid. Pick the option that suits your requirements best. Now, set your date range. This allows you to specify the time frame for the invoices you want to export. Whether you need invoices from the last month, quarter, or specific dates, select the range that aligns with your needs. Next up is the export template. You can either select from existing templates or create a new one. This template determines the structure and format of the data in your exported file. Choose wisely to ensure the data layout is optimal for your intended use. Then, consider the decimal format. This setting determines how currency values will appear in your export. Select the format that best fits your accounting standards or personal preference. The export file format is another crucial choice. Zoho Books allows you to select from CSV, XLS, or XLSX formats. Depending on what software you might use the data with or your personal workflow, pick the format that best suits your needs. Additionally, if you need to ensure the security of your exported data, consider adding a file protection password. This optional feature allows you to protect the file with a password, enhancing its security during transfer or storage. After carefully configuring your settings, you're ready for the final step. Simply click Export, and Zoho Books will generate the file according to your specifications and download it to your device. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully exported your invoices from Zoho Books. Whether you're preparing for a meeting, integrating systems, or simply organizing your finances, this process makes handling your invoicing data much easier. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.